This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the MacBook Pro. Once done, flip it over and remove the 5 pentalobe screws. Ground yourself to avoid static, touch the chassis, or wear an ESD strap, because SSDs are sensitive to ESD damage. Organize screws in order on a magnetic mat or labeled tray so you won't mix them. Now, gently pry the lower case off with a plastic tool and locate the proprietary SSD module near the logic board to begin removal. You should now disconnect the battery connector to prevent shorts. Once disconnected, identify and remove the small Torx or tri-point screw holding the SSD. Carefully lift the SSD at a shallow angle. Note the notch orientation and pin alignment, because installing it backward will damage contacts. Handle the module by the edges only. Avoid touching gold fingers. If your replacement uses an adapter or different connector, make sure firmware compatibility is confirmed before proceeding. Then seat the new drive fully and reinstall the retaining screw. Once the new SSD is secured, reconnect the battery and replace the lower case, tightening the pentalobe screws evenly. You'll boot into recovery by holding Command-R, Open Disk Utility, erase the new drive as apps with GUID partition map, and then install Mac OS. This ensures the system recognizes and boots from it. If the drive isn't detected, make sure the adapter or connector is seated, reseat the SSD, and perform an SMC or PRAM reset. If problems persist, test power and consult a replacement adapter or firmware notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.